So when we got out here this spring, our idea was just to do container gardening until we can get a real gardening going. And I tell you, these cayenne peppers have just done nothing but just keep going and going. I've already gotten like 4 or 5 harvests off of these things, and look, they're still flowering like crazy. And let me go ahead and pick these here soon. This is just yeah, cayenne peppers, and inside of here is also some Thai basil. I thought they'd be good complementary. And so yeah, this is what I was hoping all of our garden was gonna blow up like this. But in truth, welcome to Noah's Ark Install Homestead. I'm going off the grid. But show you how life isn't perfect. A lot of my stuff just, those are pretty flowers on there. It's all weeds. Yeah, a lot of my stuff, that was a tomato, just dried up during the hot summer and died and turned to weeds. Yeah. But, well, so that just shows me, how important water really is. Yeah, I had one tomato plant here that survived the summer. I'm hoping I'm going to get one more batch of tomatoes before it gets too cold. So there's some of my stuff that did do good. Green onion. It's hard to kill that because you can just keep, cutting it down. Keeps going. Not sure how these planted sweet potatoes went. I tried to squash in there. It just died. So. And then I had some beans planted in there, and rabbits came and ate the freshly sprouted beans out. I don't know, I may have to hunt some rabbits here soon. But okay, my gourd tornil's about done with for the season. But I got a couple nice loofahs here. Hopefully I can actually do something with them. Of course, see, other people's are like twice as big. But, still figuring it out. Yeah, at least I got something from it. Let's see if my carrots have gotten any bigger from a carrot patch here. This one looks like it'd be a good one. Still quite not as big as I would be hoping for, but all in all, still good. Come back for that in a minute. Oh yeah, I gotta show you these pepper plants during the summer. I thought I killed them. See, they all died back like real hard. Look, this one, it died all the way back to the main stem right here. And then after a real good rain we had right after the summer heat, they just kind of exploded, even though it's like they were pruned back super hard and then just went forth. And hopefully I got some flowering there. I'm hoping to actually get a harvest in. Been waiting. So this has been kind of getting my fall garden going. Got some French radishes. Hopefully give us good for salads. Got some onions. Hopefully it's the right time of year to plant onions. I can't remember if that's cilantro. And just planted another squash there. Hopefully the rabbit won't eat that one. Yeah, there's a rabbit that keeps coming in here. Just planted some snow peas. Hopefully those will come in here soon. So I thought this was kind of interesting. I made 3 kind of lettuce beds. Got some romaine lettuce going. And I didn't think it was going to come up. I've actually planted it in the summertime. This is some wheatgrass. Never really ate wheatgrass before. May have to. Yeah, I planted it in the summertime, and then a few came up, and it was in the summer. There was a little mini drought that came for a few weeks, and everything died. And I was like, "Oh, this isn't going to work out." But I guess after it cooled down a little bit and it started to get some more rain in, everything just sprouted. I guess I put some seed in there. Got a little bit of cabbage. Mustard greens. Yeah, it actually started sprouting again. Yeah, some cilantros are my favorite herbs. So, oh yeah, you must be wondering why I had this wire mesh on here, and that's to keep my cats from pooping in my garden here. Yeah, but after that hot summer, and we started getting some more rain, I started kind of planting in my fall garden. This is supposed to be some zucchini here. It's been flowering like crazy, but no actual zucchinis. So, my basil, this seems to be popping. That's good. Okay, now I am starting to get some zucchini in here. It's a pretty big one. Big one there. Little one. Some little ones there. Okay, yeah, starting to get worried it wasn't doing anything. I guess there's 2 different kinds of flowers. There's I don't know if there's male and female flowers, because these have flowers, and then there's flowers to themselves. And that doesn't make any. Let me try to... Alright, my first real vegetable I've grown out here so far. This is great. Well, dang, we just had a early cold front with the frost. It looks like it's taking out my zucchini that I was just getting zucchini on. I only got the harvest one off of it. Dang, it hit my basil hard too. Dang. I tried putting this plastic wrap over it, but it didn't work out for it. Dang, so with the summer heat and this quick early frost, dang, I'm getting hit hard. Dang, it also took out my sweet potatoes, it looks like. Well, geez. Well, at least looks like my winter peas, they're doing okay. And he also kind of hit my peppers kind of hard too. I don't think, I never actually, I think I only got 1 pepper off these before the Summer killed them back, and then I thought I was going to get they had good growth, and then now that freeze came through. But you know, I'm still. Now look at these radishes though. So at least I know radishes. They're doing good. What was my spinach? Yeah, my lettuce garden is still doing pretty good. My romaine, and I got some cabbages over there. My mustard. So these are still popping pretty good. Okay, now I see that. Know that frost killed off my foliage, my sweet potatoes. Let's see if I actually got any in there. Yeah, I wanna dump it here. Well, something's happening here. What is this? It's my, well, they're like fingers. Oh, what is that? I got one. Okay. I might actually have a few sweet potatoes here. They're like little bitty ones. Jeez, I'm gonna. Well, I see something inside. Okay. Got little baby sweet potatoes. Hardly enough to make a meal out of. Well, this is what I got out of 2 5-gallon planters. Sweet potatoes here. I might can make a couple meals out of it, but I'm gonna see if I can hold on to them till spring and use them as seed potatoes. I guess I guess see what happens. Well, I was able to save one of those sweet potato vines. I'm gonna try to. It's rooting good, so I'm gonna try to save it in here over the winter and see if I can't regrow it next spring. See what happens. Well, thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Maybe you can leave a comment. These videos are for entertainment and inspirational purposes, only to inspire you. Have a blessed day.